Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Discord mobile experience clean and distraction-free, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide the play shortcut in your DMs list on Discord Mobile, with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. Whether you find the play shortcut unnecessary or just want a tidier chat interface, this quick guide will help you take control of your Discord layout in just a few taps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen where you see your servers and chats. Next, look to the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will bring up your user settings. Here you'll find a variety of options to customize your Discord experience. Now scroll down the settings menu until you find the section labeled Advanced. Go ahead and tap on it. The advanced settings are where Discord keeps some of its more specialized features and options. Once you're in the advanced section, look for the option called Play Shortcut. Right underneath it, you'll see a toggle labeled Hide Play Shortcut in DMS list. This is the setting you're looking for. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. When the toggle is enabled, the play shortcut will no longer appear in your DMs list, giving you a cleaner and more focused chat view. If you ever change your mind, you can always return to this setting and turn the toggle off to bring the shortcut back. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the play shortcut from your DMs list on Discord Mobile. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how you interact with your chats. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Discord experience.